Welcome to English Lovers Hub.
That's right, we're here to help you speak with confidence.
Hello everyone, I am Farouk.
Hi guys, welcome back to our English learning channel. I'm Lavish.
I hope you are happy and ready to learn English today.
Yes, today's topic is very useful, very simple, and very important.
We will talk about your daily routine.
Yes, your daily routine means what you do every day.
Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Very easy and very useful English.
Before we start, please like the video.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
Okay, let's start. Morning routine. Lavish, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
7 a.m.? That's good.
Yes, but sometimes I wake up at 8 a.m.
That's okay. I also wake up late sometimes.
Yes, we are human.
Okay, listen carefully, everyone. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Say it slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Now you try.
Yes, but sometimes I wake up at 8 a.m.
That's okay. I also wake up late sometimes.
Yes, we are human.
Okay, listen carefully, everyone. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Say it slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Now you try. After you wake up, what do you do?
First, I brush my teeth.
Good. Very common sentence. Repeat. I brush my teeth.
Again, slowly. I brush my teeth.
Then what?
Then I wash my face.
Nice. I wash my face.
Simple English. Daily English.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Ah, tea lover.
Yes, I love tea.
Say this. I drink tea in the morning.
Or, I drink coffee in the morning.
Now your turn. What do you drink?
Egg breakfast time.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
Good habit. I eat breakfast every day.
Again, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you eat?
Sometimes I eat bread, sometimes eggs.
Nice. I eat bread. I eat eggs.
Sometimes I eat nothing.
That is not good.
Running to work or study.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I go to work.
Or students can say, I go to school.
Yes. Repeat. I go to work. I go to school.
How do you go?
I go by bus.
Good. I go by bus.
Or I go by car. I walk to work.
Now you answer. How do you go?
Sun afternoon routine.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work or I study.
Simple and useful. I work in the afternoon. I study in the afternoon.
Sometimes I feel sleepy. Zzz.
Me too. Do you eat lunch?
Yes, I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Good. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
What do you eat? Rice and vegetables.
Nice and healthy.
City in the evening routine.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax.
Good word. I relax in the evening.
Sometimes I watch TV.
Yes. I watch TV. Do you exercise?
Sometimes, not every day.
Same here. I exercise in the evening.
Moon night routine.
What do you do at night?
I eat dinner.
Good. I eat dinner.
Then I watch my phone. A lot.
Everyone does that. Then what?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Repeat. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Recycle, full routine practice, repetition section.
Now let's repeat everything together slowly.
Yes. Listen and repeat. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I drink tea. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I work in the afternoon. I relax in the evening. I eat dinner. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Very good.
You are improving.
Now, answer these questions.
Questions are: what time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you drink tea or coffee? What do you do in the evening? What time do you go to bed?
Pause the video and answer.
Target ending.
Great job today.
You learned real English for daily life.
Very simple, very useful.
Now tell us in the comments, what is your daily routine?
Yes, write in simple English.
We will read your comments.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Take care and keep practicing. Blue.